Hi, how are you all? I would like to inform you that for this video you will need to have the following apps. So the apps that you will need are clipchamp for editing if you want. Not necessary. A browser like Google, Opera GX, Microsoft Edge, Brave Anyone, and the most important PowerPoint.
First in PowerPoint, create a blank slide, right-click on mouse, then background, then solid color, and find color, and then set color to black, full black.
You need to go on your browser and search up F123, Startup Screen plus Full Menu Walkthrough, PS5, and on a different tab search up PS5 Boot Screen in 4K.
And then look at the HTML link right before YouTube, type SS for both the videos, and then it will take to the screen you are going to see right now. Then click download of the video download button for both the videos. Then go back in PowerPoint, add and the two videos. Trim the first video, the PlayStation logo, to 14.91.
The following step is optional. I say it is best to do it.
After opening clipchamp, import the second video, the F123, and watch the video until where the game menu opens, and then cut it right there by pressing the scissors button. Then do as the following steps: cut the video where necessary, and also for the first cut video, mute the background by clicking on the volume button. If the volume button is not displayed, then press the zoom in button. Now enjoy the music and follow the following edits. Nicholas Latif, best F1 driver. Now export the video in 1080p and upload it in PowerPoint. I would like to inform you that the following will be based on F121 game menu, because it is the easiest to make and the quickest, so let's get started. First, insert a rounded rectangle by holding down the orange button, round it a little more, and then rotate the rectangle about until it is tilted like the pizza tower in Italy. And then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl key on keyboard. Select all and resize, and then fill the shape in with second darkest color of gray, remember NO outer line. And then group it all together, and then select it and move it towards the other end of the page, bottom side, rotate it to look just like the one on top. Okay, now make a rounded rectangle and then resize it just like the one you are seeing. Should look the same, but size does not matter.
That's what she said.
This is no time for jokes, Andrew. And duplicate it 5 times. First one on its side. Second underneath it. Third right next to the second one, towards the right. Fourth one right next to the third one, towards the right. Fifth one right next to the fourth one, towards the right. Insert a normal rectangle. Then, make it to second darkest gray. Then, add another rectangle on top of the large one. Then, make the first one red and duplicate it 6 times. And then make the last 5 second darkest gray. Then watch the bad transition. Now create this type of slide, make it look like a China product. Feel free to pause the video. Now duplicate the slide so you, my friend, do not need to do the background again. Select everything and delete it except what is F1 and menu bar, or just do what I do. Then resize the what is F1 thing, resize it horizontally because the text will go on its right if you are a Westerner, but if you are an Arab like me, then but it left and put text towards the right. But for you, my friend, I will put it on the left and text on right. Now on the menu bar thing, change home to second darkest gray and F1 to red. Now copy text, done by ChatGPT, Bard, Google AI. Now duplicate F1 menu page again and delete everything except history of F1 and game menu bar. Resize the picture like you like. And then change home from menu bar to second darkest gray and history to red. Now copy text, done by ChatGPT, Bard, Google AI. Now duplicate the slides so you, my friend, do not need to do the background again. Select everything and delete it except evolution of F1 and menu bar, or just do what I do. Now resize the evolution of F1 box thing until it seems perfect to you, but it must be horizontal. Now on the menu bar thing, change home to second darkest gray and evolution to red. Now copy text, done by ChatGPT, Bard Google AI. From game menu, select everything and delete it except team and driver and menu bar, or just do what I do. Then resize the team and driver thing horizontally and add logo there too, please. Then in game menu bar, change home to second darkest gray and T and D to red. Thank you. Now enter a sticky note type of shape and copy the size as shown on the screen, my friend. Add a red and white mix color, fill in shape with no line. Now add a bracket and on top left and no fill and with line, but line should be white on bottom right, and rotate it to look like a F1 start grid, and then add the team name Red Bull since they won the Constructor Championship. Add it on top right and bottom left. Now add the driver's name, the on top left add the most point scoring driver of the team, and on bottom right, and the second driver name should be in black color and font should be big. After all of that, go on your browser and insert a picture of the driver's search driver name.png. After adding the driver's picture, select everything and group it together. For the Red Bull team, do not add animation, but for Mercedes team, add rise up animation. Red and silver color mix for Ferrari team. Orange and light blue. Dark green with light green. Light blue with little pink. For the 8th best team, add gray and black. Red and black mix. Final team, the basic black and white. Duplicate the game menu and delete everything except fun facts bar in the game menu bar. Now in the game menu bar, change home to second darkest gray and fun facts to red. Now resize the fun facts thing vertically so text goes to the right. Copy this text, done by ChatGPT, Bard Google AI. Select all slides from 5 to slide 9 and then right-click and hide. After that, go on. Select all slides from 5 to slide 9 and then right-click and hide. After that, go on game menu page and add hyperlink just like how I did each game box. Connect with its own private page, and for the last